because of their difficulty with perspective taking. Often kids with ADHD, when they're playing with others, they will boss other kids around, or they'll get upset with them if they're not doing exactly what they want, or they'll tell them that they're playing wrong. And then other kids react to that by saying, I'm not going to play with you anymore, or just kind of leaving the situation. And then often the child with ADHD will say that they're being bullied because of their difficulty with perspective taking. Hi, it's Ryan, and I'm going to give you real help right now. Parents of pre-K, kindergartners, and early elementary schoolers. One of the things that you could do to help your child with ADHD improve their social skills is teach them reciprocal play skills. Here's what I mean by that. If you're playing something at home with them, don't let them just kind of take the lead and you follow along with it. What we want to do is help them to understand that play is reciprocal. Sometimes we listen to your ideas, sometimes we listen to my ideas. If we're doing imaginative play, sometimes, I have to enter into your imaginative world, sometimes you have to enter into mine. So by engaging in reciprocal play, what you're actually teaching is cognitive flexibility. Last thing, if your child has a play date, it's okay to front load with them before they go over somebody's house, or a birthday party, whatever it might be. Remember that if other kids have things that they want to play, sometimes we have to go along with that. We can't just play the way we want all the time, or nobody's going to want to play with us. So remember, when you're playing at home, don't let them just take the lead and you follow along. Teach them what reciprocal play looks like. And it's okay if you want to make up the imaginative play sometimes and they have to go along with it, because that's just going to help them develop greater cognitive flexibility and perspective taking skills, which is critical to making and keeping friends. Hope this is helpful. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.